How to host an Instagram fundraiser. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply create an Instagram fundraiser post. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, you have to create a post by tapping on the create a post option. That is just below the screen. Once you'll tap on it, this is a kind of a page that will pop up. So in that, you just have to select a picture. Once you do that, once you have selected a picture, then what you'll do is go into the next by tapping on the blue right arrow. Once you'll apply all the filters and done with the editing, you're going and tap on that blue arrowhead once again. Now you land on a page just similar to this one, but that would consist of add a fundraiser. Currently I'm in a region with fundraising option, but once you're in that region, it will automatically show you if your Instagram is updated and almost up to date. That option to add a fundraiser, that is just below the Twitter or Tumblr. So once you tap on it, it would direct you towards some organizations that host a fundraising event or post. So once you select that and you tap on that blue tick icon that is at the top right screen, so this is how it is. This is how you will host a fundraising post on Instagram. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.